everybody, it's Raquel, the primary librarian, and I'm trying super hard not to be so stoked right now. My package came in from Wild University. So happy. I've been learning a lot from it. Just in case you didn't know, Wild University started up from the Go Wild planners, and they have classes, they have speakers, they have videos, they have everything, and it's absolutely fabulous, especially for people who are in the planner community. And I thought I'd open this up with you. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see, will it open this way? It's got some serious glue on it. I think I can kind of cut this way, I hope. I don't want to ruin anything in it. There we go. Move those out of the way. Oh my goodness. How cute. It's a beautiful canvas bag. I love it. Beautiful canvas bag, and has this lavender zipper. It is cute. Let's just pull everything out. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more stuff. Holy cow. Holy cow. Some strings from the inside. Tuck those back in there. Okay. So we have this. Let's just go through stuff. Now we have a welcome letter. Team Wild. Wild for you. Being a founding member. Love that. Oh, cute. Some tabs. Avery Fine Ultra tabs. Cute. And then I love this. I said this is, we used this like years ago in school. And I think you fold it up like this. And then it says Wild on the other side. And then this way. And then you put your fingers in. Now, mind you, I haven't done this since like elementary school. Then it folds this way, like that. And then you do the whole thing going back and forth, like this. Back and forth, like you would pick W, so you would maybe go through the alphabet till you get to W, and then you pick a number. And if you pick 8, you pick up 8 and then see what is like whatever it was underneath it. So cute. Okay, so leave that there. Oh, and some purple pens. Cute. I've always wanted one of these. See how it writes. And it's also a 0.5. And this, of course, is a mild liner. Nice. And then it has that edge there. It's a highlighter. Put those there. And next is, this is adorable. It's like a little emblem there. It says Wild University, you made it. And it's in the purple, I believe. And I'm not like 100% on it, but I think some of the Go Wild stuff is like their color is purple and black and purple, I believe. And this little varsity W. Cute. And Wild founding member. Love it. Oh my gosh, all the stuff, so cute. Oh, a student ID. Do you remember that from college? Cute. Student ID. And oh yes, people have been talking about the confetti, the little glassine bag that comes with confetti. And here's some washi tape that goes with this. Cute. Washi tape. And then the wild washi tape there. Cute. You're accepted. Sweet. So sweet. And what do we have here? You're accepted. It wouldn't be wild without you. Let's celebrate our new beginnings. Think about all we want to accomplish this year. Open the package of confetti. Throw it. Throw confetti, you've got this. Oh, cute. And it looks like a composition book. Whoops, did I have that out of frame? Sorry. That's this right here. You're accepted. Now, I did the year membership, and I believe everybody who did a year membership will get this. And I think they're gonna do it more often, or do it often or something, or that might be the monthly. I'm not exactly sure. So we have this, and then we have stickers. Great for the planner. This is awesome. How cute is the llama? I love it. Super cute. And then they have the little wild down there at the bottom, and Wild University. And then I guess these are things that, yeah, these are things that we focus on in Wild University, is home, budgeting, business, celebrating maybe gratitude. And then it says home again. Being a planner girl, love it. We've got this entire composition book, and it says Wild University, cute. And then this is probably for all your notes that you take. I know some people have made like notebooks and things out of like maybe, what are they? Happy planners. It just lost me for a second. Happy planners, and they've made notebooks from all this stuff, and they put it all together with all the workbooks and things like that that we're getting, and they put it all together, and it's super fun. There's, like I said, there's so much stuff that goes on there. If you guys have not decided to kind of get on the bandwagon and get your stuff for this Go Wild and for the Wild University, it is so fun. I'm learning so much. You're absolutely gonna love it. I really think so. So thanks you guys for hanging out with me. It's just a really quick, you know, little video, especially to get me started back in with doing videos. I really think that this is really going to take off. A lot of people absolutely love it as much as I do. So thanks you guys for watching with me. I will bring more videos your way. If there's anything that you want to see, especially here on my channel, if there's anything that you want to see, just let me know. Send me a message. Leave me a note down at in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys again for coming and joining with me. And thank you for subscribing, and also for liking my video. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.